Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you this makeup look I created using all the makeup products I ordered from Nykaa Pink Summer Sale recently. So this is the Pond's Gel Moisturizer. It smells so good. It hydrates your skin and doesn't make it oily at all. Makeup also glides so smoothly over this moisturizer. I generally have a combination skin, so my C zone is a little drier nowadays. So I thought of using this frankincense essential oil before my full face makeup. And now I'm using this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. This primer works beautifully on your skin. It creates a very smooth base all over your face and builds a layer between makeup and your skin. I'm using this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade number 04. It has such beautiful warm tones. I'm so excited. I'll show you all the swatches. Can you see the pigmentation? Oh my god, the pigmentation is beautiful of this palette, and also it is not patchy, not chalky, so it slides beautifully over your eyelid. I'm taking this light orange shade to create a transitional shade. Now taking this wine shade and blending it all over my crease area. And now this dark brown shade to darken my outer corner and spreading it all over my lids. And now my favorite part of this eyeshadow palette, this golden shimmer shade. This is a beautiful creamy eyeshadow, trust me guys. As usual, my most favorite eyeliner from Lakme. I'm creating a small wing. I've soaked this beauty blender in the water, and now I'm taking Swiss Beauty 01 Warm Sand Concealer to cover my dark circles and uneven pigmented areas, because it has a little peachy and orangish undertone, so it works for me. Using Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Liquid Foundation, just one pump is enough for a normal makeup, and I am in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This is my perfect match and true to my skin tone completely. And of course, never forget your ear and the areas which are exposed. And now I'm using my favorite concealer. This is a full coverage concealer and my shade is 312 Amber. So this is not a light concealer. I don't like highlighting excessively with light concealers, so I have just used a concealer of my skin tone. I generally let it dry for 2 minutes and then try to blend it, so it gives me the full coverage. Using this Maybelline Fit Me powder, translucent powder in the shade Light 15, and and I don't usually bake way too much because I do have a dry skin, so I just tapped the powder all over my skin, and I'm good to go. Here I am using a very beautiful pinkish blush from Sugar. The shade number is Pink Pinnacle. I like to apply blush all over my nose, chin, and now I'm using this Swiss Beauty Sculpt Contour palette, using these two contour and bronze shades. And generally I like to do powder contour because liquid contouring is actually a little harsh for me, so I loved the shade. It was blending beautifully. Now taking this dark brown shade and doing my lower portion. Using this Makeup Revolution highlighter and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. Using this PAC eyebrow pomade in the shade 02 Shader Cream, and taking an angle brush, taking very less products, removing the excess and just filling the sparse areas. I'm not overdoing or overlining my eyebrows. And now I'm using this spoolie to give it a natural look and marging everything. Using my most favorite long lasting PAC micro finish setting spray, and then again using this highlighter to highlight all the high points of my face like cheekbones, nose, forehead, chin, and also my cupid bow. Now to give a very natural look, I like to use the beauty blender to blend everything on my skin. I bought these 3 lipsticks from Inside Cosmetics, and using this shade Top Notch. It's a very pinkish nude shade, goes with every skin tone and every attire. It's a beautiful lipstick, and I really love the doe foot applicator. It is very easy to apply your lipstick very beautifully on the proper shape, and the lipstick is completely transfer proof after drying. So this is my final look. I hope you guys loved it. So if you love it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.